And right now I want to introduce the 4C model for the OE part. We are speaking about OE. What is the meaning of OE? Overall equipment efficiency. So this is the simple meaning of what you want to monitor your devices, your production, and you need Advantech to help you. We are showing, for example, a small RTU able to gather all the information from some sensor already in the field. Then you have the compute part that is able to gather all this information, not only on the hardware side, but Advantech is able to provide you hardware plus software in order to have an easy, ready-to-go solution. We are calling Edge Link or Web Access HMI. The point of these two software is that the customer just needs to do some configuration. We don't need to have any coding. Then we move to the creating part. In the creating part, we are showing how the powerful system of Advantech are able to gather all the information to create some dashboarding. You need always to think that you will have a lot of collect, some connect, few compute, and then just one create. So Advantech is able to provide you from the bottom up to the cloud, or cloud can be on the public cloud or can be on premises. Advantech is able to provide the complete solution over this.